Okay guys, so welcome back to Elevating Traders, and in today's video we'll be discussing some of our signal opportunities and the strategies we have on the platform. So if we head over to our strategy library, which you can find in the left tab, if you just click strategy library, if I drag that across, you can see strategy library, click on that and it'll take you to this window. Now here you find all of our strategies we have presently on the platform. Now this is a library which will be forever growing, but you can find different type of strategies depending on the type of trading techniques, the trading styles that you want to incorporate. If you're looking for trend following, mean reversion, breakout, or confluence based, you can find all of that on the platform. Now, this library contains a wide range of strategies with particular preferences. There's some long only strategies, short only strategies, strategies that work well in a particular market, and some strategies that work well across all markets. Now, depending on what type of style you're looking for, you can read through some of the strategies. We have brief paragraphs, brief description about each strategy. For example, you've got the ET trend follower engine, clean trend following with an EMA ribbon, ADX strength filter, and momentum confirmation designed to ride trends without getting shaken out by noise. So in a trending environment, this would be a good strategy to use. If something's very choppy, like let's say Euro Swiss is very choppy, this is not a strategy which you want to deploy. So when you have a trending environment, let's say crypto potential breakout, that could be a really good strategy to deploy at the right time. But on the other hand, if you do have choppy market conditions and you want to take advantage of that, take a look at our mean reversion strategies, which focus on markets that are overextended away from the mean and looking for price to revert back towards the mean. For example, if you take a look at our ET session band reversion strategy, Bollinger Band mean reversion strategy with a trading session time filter to avoid low quality false signals during off hours. So if you're looking for an intraday mean reversion strategy, this could be a great pick in the correct conditions. And of course, we have breakout strategies, confluence based strategies, and of course, this is a library which will be forever growing. We'll add to it and there'll be more opportunities you can find. And if you head back to our dashboard, you can see the history of the signals that those same strategies have generated. So if you click signal history in the left tab there, it will bring you to this page and you will have the recent history of all signals generated from a particular strategy or all strategies on our platform, as we do have right now, all markets, all strategies on all time frames, and both buy and sell. So if there is a particular bias, a particular market you want to focus on, let's say for example you want to focus on Forex, you want to focus on a particular strategy, now you're getting all the signals for that particular strategy on FX related pairs. And if you want to only focus on buy, you click buy and then you get the buy signals for that strategy on all time frames for that particular direction, etc. So depending on your preferences, you have signals for that particular style, that particular preference, or that particular time frame as well. Now, if you want more information about the signals themselves, I would recommend to head over to our Telegram group. I will create a video about how to join. But if you do head over to our Telegram group, you have a bit more information. Here you do have the entry, the stop loss, the take profit, risk reward, the confidence as well, and how recently that signal was generated. But if you do head over to our Telegram, you'll get a bit more information, multiple take profits, reasoning, expected duration, etc. So if you head over to the Telegram group, you have the signals separated by markets. So we have crypto signals for this group section. We have Forex trade signals. We have indices. We have commodities. And we have stocks as well. And every time a signal is generated for that particular market, it will be sent to this Telegram. And again, you see all the necessary information. For example, if you look at the most recent signal generated on the Forex trade signals, you can see you've got the pair, we've got the time frame, we've got the pattern, which is essentially the strategy that has been detected, entry price, stop loss, multiple take profits, risk to reward, confidence, expected duration, and overall sentiment as well. And let's say if we go over to the commodities, again, if you look at the most recent signal, got the metal, the commodity we're looking to trade, the time frame, the strategy, direction, entry price, take profit, multiple take profits, of course, risk reward, confidence, expected duration, and the market sentiment as well. So if you're looking for a bit more detail, I would highly recommend to check out the signals, and there will be a full process, a full breakdown of how you can automate these same signals. So if you want to select a strategy, select a market, select the time frame, and then have those signals automated directly to your trading account, so you don't have to worry about waiting for the signal to be received, looking to open your trading platform enter manually, you can automate these signals as well. I'll create a separate video on how to do that and how that process works. But if you're still looking to trade manually, you do have that option. You can find these cultivated signals, select which ones you personally want to take. You might not want to take every signal generated. You might want to have your own preferences and styles you're looking to trade, and you might want to pick and choose, and you have that ability with the signals produced in the group as well. So whatever markets you're interested, time frame, strategy, styles, trend following, breakout, you can find all of that and more on the platform. So if you have found this useful, guys, and this is something that interests you, something you want to check out, make sure you head over to elevatingtraders.com today and you can get started right away. Thanks for watching. Drop a like, much more coming your way.